It's the incredible, the lyrical. You can't be me like Niecy. To see me is gonna take a miracle. I'm driving motherfuckers hysterical with a touch of this twister, stylistic mixture. What I create pulsates, there is no escape. Annihilate your mental mind state. They labels my vocabulary abusive. I pack more knowledge than Confucius. I'm deadly and do shit like Medusa, with thoughts to share. The niggas throughout this hemisphere, far and near. Prepare, catch me chillin' like the winner, up against the #1 contender as I enter. Cause I get heated like friction. Motherfuck your whole jurisdiction. React this fact, not fiction. Telepathic addiction to this homicidal recital. Dangerous and vital to all my rivals. Suicidal brain waves conveys through the average motherfucker's minds these days. I'm all ready to put work in. Take 10 steps and turn and shoot the first nigga smirking. Give a fuck, what's your name, what you claim, or why you came. Motherfucker, don't explain. Simply, don't tempt me, cause I'm simply legging hoes like Simpty, the invincible MC. Boy,
New York, big city of dreams, and everything in New York ain't always what it seems. You might get fooled if you come from out of town, but I'm down by law and I'm from the dog man. Too much, I serve too many people. Too much, it's too much. I serve too many people, and when I finish serving, it won't be no sequel. New York, big city of dreams, and everything in New York ain't always what it seems. You might get fooled if you come from out of town, but I'm down by law and I'm from the dog man. Too much, I serve too many people. Too much, too much. I serve too many people, and when I finish serving, it won't be no sequel.
give me a couple G's. Very MC, I knock to his knees, verbally useless. Oh, you got the juice, I squeeze it juiceless. The barbaric, versatile, you know kin of me, so how the fuck you inherit my style? Now, out the clear blue sky, I can't deny. Now the day goes by, I don't get high, don't ask why. Tonight's the night for me to rip microphones into bits and pieces. Lyrical telekinesis gets me in the verbally vindictive. Violent vocabulary vibes to existence. Catch me in the pitch black path. I sit and let the sick thoughts pass through my mental till I hear an instrumental. Then detrimental verbal get the spitting. The highest of intellect try connecting with the written. Now they faced with the forbidden. Vocally chosen to explore new terrains, then remain unseen. Throughout the war dips like a Lolo. With my verbal fofo. The cocoa complexion MC with the slow flow. Show. I takes it to you from the dough. Motherfucker, mentally I go hardcore. I disconnect you, corrupt the MC to vocally void your whole molecular structure. Catastrophic, mystic is missile flick, hitting MCs like pits, the deadliest lyricists.
Stop.